For those who don't know, this Sunday I'm leaving for Dollywood in Tennessee. I am expecting great things from this park, but in this video I'll be stating my expectations and what I think will be my favorite things and my least favorite things to do there. So with that said, let's hop in because you don't want to miss it.
No, fuck that shit.
I have visited Dollywood's sister park, Silver City, in June of 2021, but I've been hearing mixed things, like the theming is not as good as Silver City's theming, which I mean, if it's by Horsham, then my experience should be just as good, you know? First off, I'm really excited to try the cinnamon bread again, because at Silver City, the cinnamon bread is just heavenly. I only tried one flavor of cinnamon bread at Silver City, which was the chocolate cinnamon bread. So when I go to Silver City, I'm gonna try multiple flavors of cinnamon bread. And I don't exactly remember the rest of the food from Silver City, but all I know was that Horsham definitely makes and prepares better food than Six Flags and Cedar Field Parks. Definitely. Next, I want to talk about the rides. I recently looked on the Dollywood website and I was extremely surprised that they didn't have many thrill attractions. About 85% of Dollywood's flower rides are for kids or families. But there's still some highly anticipated coasters I'm looking forward to, such as Thunderhead, Lightning Rod, and Big Bear Mountain. Because Big Bear Mountain is the newest attraction, and from point of views and videos I saw, the theming and audio looks and sounds awesome. And even though I'm still looking forward to Lightning Rod, I hear that Lightning Rod hasn't been running as fast as opening year, because I truly believe them, because I've seen a comparison from opening year to 2019 to 2021, and it disappoints me that they've slowed down the launch so much. And I hear that now Thunderhead is the best at Dollywood, which we will see what my opinion is on that. The theming and atmosphere don't look as good as Silver City, but it still looks great. Because no one, not even Universal or Disney, can beat the theming of Silver City in my opinion. Because not just the theming and atmosphere, but also the employees. Because when I went to Silver City, the people walking there seem like they wanna be there and that they adore what they're doing. And I expect the same from Dollywood, and you can say that about many parks such as Six Flags or Cedar Field parks. The operations of pretty much everything at Dollywood should be absolutely outstanding, because first of all, I know I talk about Silver City too much in this video, but at STC, the operations were incredible because they pumped out trains and ran everything no matter the weather. I can just say that Horsham knows exactly how to operate an amusement park. Before the outro, I want to let you know that no matter what, I won't be talking about the water park in this video, only because I'm still not 100% sure that we're even going to the water park during our trip. In conclusion, I'm extremely excited for my Dollywood trip, because I know as a fact that it'll be just as good as my Silver City experience. Okay, I'll honestly stop talking about Silver City now, because I feel like I'm talking about it too much in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more 4K content here at Horizon Tours. I make some of the most high quality roller coaster content you'll ever find on YouTube. Everything here is professionally recorded and edited. But with that said, I'm Horizon Tours and I'll see you guys on the horizon. Peace.